नमस्कार. सडेतोड नाईक कार्यावळीत आज आम्ही परत एकदा इंडस्ट्री इकॉनॉमी ह्या विशयाची चर्चा करपाचे आसात. हो विशय आमी कित्याक घेतात कारण हालींच गोंयान भितर इन्व्हेस्टर मीट जाले आनी गोंयान भितर चड गुंतवणूक येवची हाजे खातीर सरकार गंभीरतायेन प्रयत्न करता अशे तरेन दिसता वयले चाराक. आनी हांव वयले चाराक कित्याक म्हणटा कारण आमी पळयलां मायनींग कांय वर्सां बंद आसा, टुरिजम इंडस्ट्री तशी व्हडली बरी चलता अशें म्हणूंक येना. अशा वेळार सरकाराची जी पळय अर्थवेवस्था आसा तिका चार ध्येय लावपाचें काम गोंयची इंडस्ट्री करता आनी गोंयचे इंडस्ट्रीनूच अशे तरेचो कर येता, इंडस्ट्री इनोवेटीव आसता, रोजगार निर्माण करता, अर्थवेवस्थेक हातभार लायता. सो ह्या सगळ्यो ज्यो पळय अर्थवेवस्थेचे म्हत्वाच्यो ज्यो पळय बाजू आसात ताका इंडस्ट्री सांबाळटा अशें आमी म्हणूं येतात. सो त्या नदरेन सरकार इंडस्ट्री कडेन गंभीरतायेन पळयता काय कितें, बरें इन्व्हेस्टमेंट गोंयान येवचें, स्थिर इन्व्हेस्टमेंट गोंयान येवचें हाजे खातीर सरकार प्रयत्न करता काय कितें, बऱ्यो इंडस्ट्री गोंयान येवपा खातीर प्रयत्न करता काय कितें, भायल्यान ज्यो गाजतात त्या इंडस्ट्रीक गोंयान आपोवपा खातीर सरकारची धोरणां तशी आसात काय कितें. आनी जी पळय आतां भारतान भितर जी कांय म्हत्वाची राज्यां इंडस्ट्री येवचे खातीर जे पळय कॉम्पिटिशन करतात, कॉम्पीट करतात, तांकां कॉम्पिटिशनान गोंय राज्य देंवता काय कितें, काय गोंय राज्य सामकें आळशी स्वस्थ बसून आसा, इंडस्ट्री येतल्यो आनी आमी ताका घेतले. ह्याच विशयाचेर आज चर्चा करतात आनी आमचे कडेन दोन मानेस्त आसात. एक मानेस्त ऑलरेडी आयला, दुसरो मानेस्त रोखडोच आमकां जॉईन जातलो. हांव तुमची वळख करून दितां. आमचे मदीं आसात मांगेरीश बाब सालेलकार, जे चेअरमॅन एसोचेमाच्या IT कमिटीचे ते वांगडी आसात, प्लस ते स्वता IT उद्योजक आसात. मांगेरीश बाब, तुका हांव आमच्या कार्यावळीन येवकार दितां. आमचो दुसरो वांगडी रोखडोच आमकां जॉईन जातलो, पूण ताचे पयलीं म्हाका तुजे कडेन समजून घेवपाक जाय. आमकां गोंयान आमी ग्रीन इंडस्ट्रीज जाय म्हणटात. सो ग्रीन इंडस्ट्री म्हळ्यार कितें आनी गोंयाक तातूंतल्यो कितल्यो आमकां फावोश्यो आसात?
सो ग्रीन इंडस्ट्री म्हळ्यार बेसिकली ज्यो इंडस्ट्रीज विच इज नॉन पोल्युटिंग is green industry.
Correct.
So out of them I would say most of the other states which are accepting very easily is IT.
Yes.
आणि IT कारण कित्याक की IT जे पळय इंजिनियर्स आसात इंडियेन ते वी हॅव व्हेरी गुड इंजिनियर्स अवेलेबल इन इंडिया जे वेगवेगळे टेक्नॉलॉजीचेर ताजेर काम करपाक शकता. आनी सेकंडली इट इज अबाउट अनदर इंडस्ट्री लायक एंटरटेनमेंट फॉर दॅट मॅटर. एंटरटेनमेंट बिकॉज everyone today definitely requires entertainment and may it be with respect to आमचे say film cities जावं नाल्यार it could be something like a SL World or a Wonderla तसले type आमचे amusement parks आसो. These are all a part of entertainment. But we have to also look at other things which are the next things which are definitely required. Correct. Which is about healthcare. Bro. Okay, healthcare is another very delicate thing which we realized that we have to pay attention to healthcare when COVID came. So then it is about pharmaceutical and more innovations around that.
Nice.
And more importantly, last I think so we have to also focus on amche BFSI, which is like banking and finance and insurance, because that is also another major sector which definitely needs attention. We are doing well, no doubt, but I think so if at all that is something which we can probably look into and the government can also support more industries to focus around that.
म्हाका दिसता मागीर तुवें म्हणटा तुवें चार पळय वळेरी सांगली, तातूंत भितर एक फार्मास्युटिकल सोडले जाल्यार IT इंडस्ट्री आमची तशी खास चलना, एंटरटेनमेंट आमचे कडेन ना. सो कितेंशें म्हणजे बारीकशें कितें जर चलता जाल्यार फार्मास्युटिकल तेंय बी वेरना अशें म्हणूं येता.
No, I would say definitely what you're saying is right ki pharmaceutical is a major industry as of now in Goa after say hospitality म्हणल्यार जाता, because some of the top pharmaceuticals in India are having their units or headquarters in Goa. Okay. So we have our Lupin, we have our Gino, we have all these other. Gino is like a homemade brand which is now doing so much of things in India, and it is going also in exports. So here also is something which we have to look whether we can support and give them enough things to help them upscale. Okay, because I think so industries and companies who have already know the ground problem,
Yeah.
and they know how to play around with the say the government machinery and the around infrastructure and so on. If they know how to play around with it, I think so they will be the best players where the government has to support them so that we can also help them upscale. Because आम्ही ऑफकोर्स आम्ही इन्वायट करतात की बाबा भायल्यो कंपनीजांक येवनी हे ते आम्ही रावतात,
बरोबर.
म्हणून इट बिकम समटायम्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम ऑल्सो टू एडॅप्ट टू द होल इकोसिस्टम ऑफ गोवा.
बरोबर.
सो दॅट इज वॉट.
हांव तुमची वळख करून दिता. आमचे बरोबर आसात निलेश बोर्डे. निलेश बाब, तुका हांव आमचे कार्यावळीन येवकार दिता. निलेश बाब हे गोवा बिझनेस स्कुलाचे एक प्रोफेसर आसात आनी स्वता इंडस्ट्री बद्दल, इकॉनॉमी बद्दल ते खूब पोटतिडकीन उलयतात. निलेश बाब, आमी आतां मांगेरीश आनी हांव उलयताले गोंयान भितर खंयच्यो इंडस्ट्रीज येवपाक शकतात, खंयच्यो इंडस्ट्रीज ऑलरेडी आसात. सो तूं हातूंत भितर कितें एड करूं शकतलो?
राजू बाब, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फॉर हॅविंग मी. म्हाका तरी अशें दिसता गोंयान खंयच्यो इंडस्ट्री येवंक शकता तेचे परस गोंयांक खंयच्यो इंडस्ट्री येवपा जाय. That is important.
Nice. Yes.
So what is important for this is Goa policymakers need to understand what is the character of Goa and its population.
Yes.
एक म्हणजे गोंयान we have got very good literacy rate. Goa income inequality in comparison to the other parts of the country is less.
Yes.
So therefore, people will necessarily need a kind of job which suits their requirements.
Correct.
Which cannot come in sectors like steel, which cannot come in things like plastic molding forms.
Power guzzling आमकां नाका.
No, it cannot, because Goans will never get a job there. So what kind of companies do we require? We require companies which Goans will not mind working in. So IT, ITES, financial sector, agro processing
जे तुवें
units.
आतां नांवां सगळीं सांगली. करेक्ट.
जे असल्यो कंपनीज इफ दे कम इन, वॉट विल हॅपन इज दॅट द गोवन्स विल देन नॉट लीव गोवा. आता सध्या कितें जाला, यू हॅव अ व्हेरी बॅड बॅलन्स, अँड सो इन अ प्लेस लायक मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग फर्म्स वेर गोवन्स डू नॉट लायक टू वर्क, people then get people from outside Goa because they don't have labor and they need to continue their
निलेश
work.
बाब, हांव मातसो इंटरप्ट करता. तुमचे पळय जें गोवा बिझनेस स्कूल आसा गोवा युनिवर्सिटीचें, तें कितें करता? बिझनेस करपाचें एंटरप्रेनरशीप प्रमोट करता तुमी?
सो दोन गोष्टी लक्षात घेवपा जाय राजूबाब. वी गिव अ कोर्सेस लायक MBA. Unfortunately, whether we like it or not, MBAs teach students how to manage a business, right? We are right now rescaling it to figure out how to start a business and how to manage it. Not only that, Goa Business School has got this entire thrust area of MSMEs. We are hand-holding quite a few MSMEs in Goa.
Nice.
And trying to push them up. Whether it is in terms of their HR requirements, whether it is in terms of their financial requirements, whether it is in terms of their marketing requirements, we are now trying to help Goan MSMEs go to market.
नायस, व्हेरी नायस. सो म्हाका मंगेश हांव तुजे कडेन येता. तुवें जे पळय कितें 4 इंडस्ट्री जाका आमी फोकस करपाक म्हणल्यार ताजे 3 नांवां सगळीं निलेश बोर्डान घेतली. आतां म्हाका सांग, ह्यो इंडस्ट्री येवपा खातीर ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेस म्हणजे कितें करपा जाय? कारण ताणें ऑलरेडी स्कूलय स्टार्ट केलां, एंटरप्रेनर ते तयार करतात, पूण निबाणें जाय तें ईज न्ही हें सगळें. आनी सरकार तर म्हणता न्ही ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेस, हो एक सामको एक परवलीचो शब्द जाला. तो आसा गोंयांत.
So let me talk on the central or Bharat level. So Bharat level, our situation is such that in the last 10 years, definitely we have moved from almost like 143rd position to almost 66th or 63rd position as far as ease of doing business is concerned. Okay, this is just a very relative number. However, I think so. आम्ही पळोवपाक जाय whether from the center, like Modi must be sitting with all his central ministers asking with these are the KPIs, you have to work around it and give results at the end of it.
बसयता सगळं.
Absolutely.
That is true.
So here समज आमच्या गोवा गव्हर्मेंट ऑन द स्टेट लेवल ऑल्सो फंक्शन्स इन द सेम मॅनर
Exactly.
then I think so we would definitely find results. And to be frank, I will say ease of doing business to some extent has definitely come in. We have seen the last budget, we have seen this budget also. We have a lot of industry people have proposed that हे खूपशे नाका आशिल्ले compliances जे आसा पळय ते काड म्हणून decriminalize those laws which are required.
एक्झाम्पल दिता एक दोन.
So unnecessarily like समज म्हाका से शॉप्स एंड इस्टॅब्लिशमेंटाचे नाजाल्यार से म्युनिसिपल लायसन्स जाय IT कंपनीक कळ्ळें न्ही IT कंपनीक समज एक
तुका
म्युनिसिपल एनओसी जाय
तुका पंचायतीन कित्याक वचपा जाय पंचायत तुका गरजूच लागता.
म्हाका म्युनिसिपल एनओसी समज हांव घेवपाक वता म्हाका तो फायर एनओसी घेवपाक धाडटा.
करेक्ट.
I don't need fire where हांव खंयचे पेट्रोल I'm not using a gas stove or anything around there. So that is something which they have started removing, which is a good step. But however, there is one problem around there that the ministries which form the policies are definitely aware. So like the IT minister definitely is aware that these are our policies, and I am saying that Goa say ITचेच घेवया गोंयान IT anywhere आसा कळ्ळें न्ही. I can run anywhere.
करेक्ट.
म्हणजे कितें म्हाका घरा भितर म्हाका फ्लॅटा भितर म्हाका खंयी म्हाका फंक्शन करपाक मेळटा गॅरेजी भितर.
करेक्ट.
पुणून हे हाका खबर ना कोणाक म्युनिसिपालिटी खबर ना. सो देर इज अ गॅप अराउंड वीच वी नीड टू
आनी म्हाका तुवें IT म्हणलें म्हणून
हय.
आमच्या IT गोंयचे मिनिस्ट्रीक खरेंच गोंयान IT प्रमोट केल्ली जाय.
सी इफ यू आस्क मी एज फार एज द IT minister Rohan Bab is concerned, he definitely is one of the very unique IT minister till date who knows what is blockchain, he knows what is cyber security, he knows all these terms as far as things are concerned. However, at this point I feel he is also overburdened with another ministry
Departments,
which I think is making him pull a lot of his attention on the tourism side of
हांव
it.
तुका निलेश भाऊ होच प्रश्न तुका दुसरे तरेन विचारता. इज अवर गव्हर्मेंट इंडस्ट्री फ्रेंडली?
Is a government industry friendly? The answer is no. If
Yes.
it was industry, I'm talking about the Goa government.
Correct. Yes.
Why it is not industry friendly? I will again disagree with my friend who gets up and says that compliances are far too many. I don't think industry is worried about compliances. I don't think any industry is shy of compliance. He himself will not be shy of compliances.
Correct.
What they are shying away from is the inordinate delay at every stage. Dusri gazal, he talked about IT, he talked about ease of doing business. Compare this to a place like Uttar Pradesh where a person does not even have to visit a municipality for getting that license.
Correct.
So for a thing like IT, for instance, where you know that there are proper SOPs in place, you can easily give him a digital NOC. Where is the question of this man having to go and meet a corporator or meet a mayor? Why should there be why is IT involved? IT is involved basically because you want to reduce human interference in the regular normal process of carrying out your business. Yes. The day that happens, your corruption comes down, your number of days that it takes to give your licenses and achieve those things are reduced, and people are able to do it stress free, which is not what is happening right now. And why is it not happening right now? It is not happening right now because, as he spoke very correctly, in academics we call it information asymmetry. म्हणजे कित जाता, I'll give you a very simple example in ease of doing business. Modi stands on the rooftop of Red Fort and says, collateral free loan. We have done a study at Goa Business School where we tried to find out from the branch managers. Central government has a scheme of giving collateral free loans, but the bankers have a policy of holding a branch manager personally responsible if this collateral free loan goes bad. So the branch manager of a bank, especially the nationalized bank, shies away from giving that collateral free loan. What does it mean? It simply means that a person who is now interested in the funds does not get those funds. Why? Because the bank says, I'm not going to give you collateral free loan. Does he say directly no? Again, a very, very unique result that we found. No bank will give it to you in writing that your loan has been rejected. And the reason why they do not give it to you in writing is because you know that I can then take an action against the bank. But the problem is they do not pass your loan on time.
Oh.
It's a very simple, and it's a simple. So what is happening? There are contradictory policies that are taking place, and I'm telling you, this was a sample that we took was only about 135 MSME owners, and every single unanimously, without even one going against it, which includes one of my brother-in-law himself, right? So I'm telling you, this is a fact that the nationalized banks today shy away from giving this centralized loan because the banks have a policy. So when you have such policies created, you have a problem on it.
Yes.
That is where we have an issue in Goa.
निलेश बाब म्हाका तुका परत दुसरो प्रश्न तेच विचारपाक की आमी एका अर्दान गोंय इतलें ल्हान मॅनेज करपाक सोंपें दुसऱ्या अर्दान सावथ इंडियेक अशी कांय राज्यां कांय नवी राज्यां क्रिएट जाल्यात जी इन्व्हेस्टमेंटाक इतले फास्ट मान्यता दितात
Correct.
की थंय व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो इंडस्ट्री आतां वचपाक लागल्या अशे तरेची चर्चा.
Correct.
सो हें कितें आमच्या हांगा थंय बी फायनान्शियल इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स सेम आसतल्यो ती.
Sir, if you ask me today, frankly, Goa should have been a Singapore of India.
Exactly.
Unfortunately, because Goa was not becoming a Singapore of India, we are
Exactly.
making Goa Las Vegas of the world.
Wow, good
of
comment.
India.
Right.
It's
I
a
support
very
you.
unfortunate part that's happening. But why is that happening? That's happening because we could have become a financial capital.
Correct.
Every single financial house would have had its corporate office in a place like Goa. If Goa had to have a proper vision, if Goa had to have proper policies in place, which would have given Goans the kind of jobs that they are looking out for, which is unfortunately not happening. What is it that is stopping Infosys, for example, from coming into a place like Goa? Is it just the fact that you do not have enough number of people in this place? You've got 7 engineering colleges.
Yes.
So what is it that is stopping Infosys, for example, from setting up a shop in place like Goa? Give them a place of training and development where they are able to bring in 2,000 people. Goa is a
Very
very
nice.
good
I will ask the
business
same
destination.
question
Yes.
to Mangirish. Mangirish, Bab, this is your topic.
So I think
म्हाका जाय अशे तरेच्यो टॉप हाय टेक इंडस्ट्रीज ज्यो जगभर तांचें नांव आसा गोंयांक येवपाक अन्वंतात कित्याक.
So, as far as ease of doing business and all these compliances and asa is one part of it. I think so. The basic thing why people are hesitating is because of the lack of skilled tech resources.
Oh.
Especially I'm talking with
तो
respect
म्हणटा
to
7 कॉलेजी.
no हांव तुका सांगता 7 कॉलेजींतल्यान पास आउट जावपी लोक सांगता तुका
हय.
in totality IT only, okay, we have around 1,800 engineers graduating every year. Okay, 1,800 from Goa as compared to 1,70,000 people graduating from only Bangalore.
नाही नाही, हे सगळं
So,
बरोबर
हे
आहे.
जे आसा,
तूं गोंयान
so-
काम कर पळय
so 1,800
बँगलोर सॅच्युरेशन पॉयंट बँगलोर प्रवास करप डिफिकल्ट ट्रॅफिक जॅम ह्या तुलनेन गोंय एक सुशेगाद. अरे म्हणून तर कोविड काळान तुमचे इंडस्ट्रीतले टॉप प्रोफेशनल्स गोंयांत येवन शांतपणान काम करताले न्ही. ती ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी तुम्ही म्हळ्यार गव्हर्मेंटाक कित्याक दिला एक इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करून हांगा काम करपाक.
So Raj sir, I'm coming back to this point about my 1,800. So तांचे कितें जाता, से Infosys like a company, तांकां खूब जाय पडटा लोक, कळ्ळें न्ही. आनी दॅट थिंग इज वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इज 1,800 बाय डिफॉल्ट हाफ पयलींच ना जाता बिकॉज दे गो आउट फॉर फर्दर स्टडीज और वॉट एवर इट इज, or they get a opportunity outside India or outside Goa. कळ्ळें. So that is one thing. So आमचो ब्रेन ड्रेन थंय मातसो अर्दो
ओके.
उरले हातूंतल्यान जे आमचे हांगांचेच ज्यो कंपनीज आसा ती हायर करतात आनी तातूंतले मोजके समान लोक आसा ते इन्फोसिसान कित्याक जाय
तूं मान्य करताय बऱ्यो इन्फोसिस सारकी कंपनी हांगा येना फक्त स्कील लेबरा खातीर.
No, so I think skilled labor or paucity of skilled labor is one of the factors. It used to be a prominent factor, and I'm sure he will agree to it that it was a prominent factor, say a decade back. But today that's not the case at all. With the great amount of connectivity that Goa has, and I'm sure if such training institutes of Infosys and all start in a place like Goa, they will not be too much of a problem for someone like Infosys to start a place here. when you start an office in a place like Goa, for example, I mean, he's a person who should be able to help us with this data much better than us. But even a place like Infosys, if they start off, their initial requirement will not go to more than 1,500 to 2,000 people to begin with.
Yes.
And if Goa is not able to even give that much, I mean, consider not just the engineering colleges. We are looking at, say, for example, Goa Business School itself has got MCA. We've got MSc Artificial Intelligence, MSc Data Science. We've got so many such colleges, so many such courses that are happening. We are easily in a position to satisfy a company like Infosys when it comes to Goa. What needs to be looked at beyond this is, why is it that they are not willing to come? So there are other issues. There are infrastructural issues. For example, you spoke very nicely that in COVID times a lot of people came down to Goa and started working from home. Point was, how many of them remained after COVID got over? You got to figure out the number of people who had a problem with internet connectivity, for example. So I cannot have a company like Infosys coming down to Goa if there is an internet problem. I cannot have a company like Infosys coming down to Goa if the municipality is going to start harassing
this
them.
about internet connectivity.
Yeah.
Because
So
we need to have a primary, we need to have a secondary, we need to have a tertiary connection.
Absolutely. Sir, I'm telling you this, at Goa University, which is basically trying to train people, I have a problem with internet.
Exactly. There is no internet there.
So you have an issue like internet connectivity. So
In
how
Goa
can I
already.
even, how can I even, if I'm a person working in a place of Dr. Pramod Sawant, you think I will have guts to even go and call up Mr. Nandan Nilekani and say, sir, please come and think about Goa as an opportunity? Very difficult.
Good. So हांव तुका तोच दुसरो प्रश्न करता. Is our education system industry friendly?
Should education system be industry friendly?
So basically you are trying to say whether we have industry ready people.
Exactly.
Correct. So,
आम्ही आमचे
my
सिस्टम
question-
तयार केल्या.
So my question to that is a counter one. I think you might call me from a very old school of thought, but should I be creating industry ready people? So for example, should I be creating people who are able to work for Infosys or who are able to work for Dr. Reddy's, or should I create people who have got those basic foundation skills so well that they are able to adjust to any particular industry that's
तू
possible?
पळय आतां जे तत्व मांडलां
हय.
ते तत्व आमी गोंयांत तयार करतात काय कितें विद्यार्थी तयार करतना.
आमच्याकडे सिस्टम रेडी असा.
Okay.
विद्यार्थी तसे तयार जाता काय ना? Well, we have got too many issues there also. So for example, I mean, if you want a good skilled manpower coming up, the first thing that needs to happen is Goa needs to open up its education sector. I will give you a very simple data from the place that I work at. I have got 70. I give 70 seats admission to people for MBA
Every year.
every year.
Yeah.
Sir, Chita, all 70 students of mine except 2 are from Goa.
Very nice.
No, it's not nice. I'm saying it should be opened up, because if I do not have class diversity, मागीर ते कितें जाता, आमचेच भुरगे. So what happens is that there is no competitive
are
learning.
interested
There is a
in
collaborative
outsiders
learning.
should also join.
Not all of them. So I'm saying 50% आमचे आसाच, ना म्हणना. But the remaining 50% which are there, the Goa University or any institution for that matter should be allowed to open
But
up.
then you should have your standard like Goa College of Management. ऑटोमॅटिक जो मेरेन तुमच्या स्कुलाचो किंवा युनिव्हर्सिटीचो दर्जो वाडचो ना तो मेरेन
So
भायल्यान
कशें आसा, ताती पयली आयला काय कोंबडी, this is what it is. So I'm saying when Goa University was the only institution offering a management course
Right.
wherein we had outsiders coming in and taking. So for example, the first corporate airline that is starting from India and is going to have a corporate office in a place like Goa is the person who owns it is a Goa University management student, alumni. So we have this kind of talents and we have got these people who have passed out. Kids at the sir, once you have a same kind of people coming in from same kind of cultural
Correct,
backgrounds,
correct.
I do not get the learning is somewhere pulled down. Then teacher also has a very limited role to play there. So you need to understand that
तो
in a place like post graduation.
निलेश एज्युकेशनिस्ट उलयलो एज ए इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट तू कितें मानता
So I think if you ask me, being industry ready is a myth.
Correct.
कळ्ळें न्ही. इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू से दॅट बाबा आमची एज्युकेशन इन्स्टिट्यूटांतल्यान आमी फक्त इंडस्ट्री रेडी लोक
ना
तयार
हांवें तूं
करतात.
कित्याक म्हणलें कित्याक म्हणलें जर्मनीक भितर
हय.
इंजिनियरींग कॉलेजीन जो पळय भुरगो भितर येता तो भितर आयले तेवट ताका स्पॉन्सर एक खंयची तरी इंजिनियरींग फर्म करता, एक व्हडली कार कंपनी ताका स्पॉन्सर करता. तो थंय 6 म्हयने काम करता. सो ताज्या सबंद कॅरियराचे पयशे उबारपाचें काम इंडस्ट्री करता प्लस ताका ऑन द स्पॉट काम मेळटा आनी तो तज्ञ जाता आपण कॉलेजींतल्यान भायर
सर
सरता
तुका तें सांगता
हय.
हांव तो प्रॉबली बेजिक्स तागेले इन प्लेस आसतली पूण ही इज नॉट इंडस्ट्री रेडी दॅट्स माय पॉयंट इज सो वॉट इज आय एम टेलिंग यू इज आमचे करिक्युलम जे आसता पळय करिक्युलमान आमचे एक सेट करिक्युलम पयलीं आशिल्लो आतां वी हॅव डन इट इन सच अ वे दॅट इट इज चेंजिंग टायम टू टायम कळ्ळें न्ही
become
अँड वी आर
fluid.
मेकिंग इट मोर अजायल कन्सिडरींग दॅट द इंडस्ट्री इज बिकमिंग मोर अजायल
करेक्ट
कळ्ळें न्ही बिकॉज इंडस्ट्री कितें म्हणटा सेच आय टीचूच उलोवया परते आमी वी आर सेईंग की बाबा आमी जेन्ना फर्स्ट इयराक आशिल्ले ओके यू नो पायथन म्हणटा तो एक यू नो वेल नोन टेक्नॉलॉजी आशिल्ली जी आमी शिकपा जाय पूण तो ग्रॅज्युएट जाता म्हणल्यार अरे फ्लटर आयले आनी कितें आयले देर आर वेरियस अदर टेक्नॉलॉजीज वीच कम इन पिक्चर वीच ही इज नॉट अवेअर ऑफ सो पुणून हांव कितें म्हणटा एट द एंड ऑफ इट अरे म्हाका हो मनीस जाय कित्याक म्हाका मनीस जाय लॉजीक जाणा आशिल्लो प्रोग्रामिंगाचो सो तो म्हणटा हांव प्रोग्रामींग घेता ताका ही इज नॉट इंडस्ट्री रेडी म्हणजे म्हाका जाय ती टेक्नॉलॉजी ना पूण हांव ताका घेता आनी मागीर हांव ट्रेनिंग दिता ताका
Okay.
सो दॅट इज वॉट आय एम ट्रायंग टू से इज इट मे नॉट बी इंडस्ट्री रेडी बट
पूण आमच्यो इंजिनियरींग कॉलेजीस
हय
ह्यो काळाचें आव्हान पेलपाक तयार आसात
See, I'm coming to that. The next point is about now implementation of NEP. Kahani. With this new national education policy of 2022, 2020 झाली मग 23 झाली. आता with this what they are trying to do is they are trying to make it like a autonomous thingy. Kahani.
Correct.
They are trying to make
Exactly.
sure that they are trying to make
Very
it
nice.
more
Sarge.
very flexible. दे आर ट्रायंग टू मेक इट की बाबा हाजे फुडें की तुका जाय तशें तुका ह्या सॅक्टरान तुका हें करपाक जाय तुका टॅक्नॉलॉजीच्यान मातशें तुका हांगा वेरिएशन करून तुका हे टॅक्नॉलॉजी शिकपाक जाय दॅट इज ऑल्सो गिवन बट द थिंग इज ती फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी तयार करपाक जो पळय इम्प्लिमेंटेशन सारकें जावपाक जाय पळय दॅट हॅज टू हॅपन इन द रायट मॅनर
बरें आमकां निलेश बाब आमच्या कार्यावळीचो
बिकॉज इफ दॅट हॅपन्स न्ही सर
आमी इंडस्ट्री ताजे नंतर गव्हर्मेंट पॉलिसीज आनी ताजे नंतर एज्युकेशन सिस्टम हाजे बद्दल उलयलें म्हाका तुजे कडेन एक निमाणो स्टेटमेंट जाय इंडस्ट्री आमकां जाय इंडस्ट्रियल इकॉनॉमी वाडपाक जाय गोंय सरकारची इन्व्हेस्टमेंट वाडपाक जाय आनी इकॉनॉमी एज सच स्ट्रॉंग घटमूट पांयार उबी आसपाक जाय आमी कितें करपाक जाय विदीन 1 मिनिट म्हाका तूं एक
very simple solution to this whole problem. You need to have a proper vision. बस म्हणजे तुका विजन म्हणजे कितें आतां तुवें फक्त जर समज टुरिजम एक सेक्टर तुवें इंडस्ट्री जर तुमी धरली saying that this is going to be my main industry around which all my other industries will function, then whether it is MICE, whether it is sports tourism, whether it is educational tourism, whether it is medical tourism, cultural tourism, religious tourism, spiritual tourism, ह्यो सगळ्यो टुरिजमाच्यो टायप्स मागीर तेतूं भितर येता. Now you need to figure out if this is going to be my nucleus, all my policies that go around it should basically try and see that this particular industry is protected
दे आर नॉट क्लॅशिंग
and they are not clashing.
सो आमकां गव्हर्मेंटाक तूं म्हणटा विजन जाय आनी एक फोकस जाय
सामकी विजन जाय सर विजन जर ना जाल्यार तुमकां प्रॉब्लेम जातलो सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल IT इंडस्ट्री इज कॉम्प्लिमेंटिंग समथींग लायक टुरिजम ॲग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री इज कॉम्प्लिमेंटिंग टुरिजम दीज आर द थिंग्स दॅट नीड टू सो यू नीड इंडस्ट्रीज दॅट कॉम्प्लिमेंट युअर मेजर इंडस्ट्री बिकॉज दॅट इज वेअर युअर ब्रेड अँड बटर कम्स फ्रॉम.
सारकें तुवें बरें सांगलें केंद्र सरकार योजना आखता पूण निमाणे फायनान्शियल इन्स्टिट्युशनांतल्यान ती योजना ती लोकां मेरेन पावपा जाय
बरोबर.
गोंय सरकाराक एक विजन जाय गोंय सरकाराक एक तो एक दृश्टिकोन जाय आपल्याक
सामको.
कसली इंडस्ट्री हें करतलो आनी जो मेरेन अशे तरेचें विजन ना आमी हवेन चाडपडत रावतले आनी वयल्यान पॅराशुटार ढांपून पडटले सो म्हाका दिसता हें जात तितले बेगीन जावपाची गरज आसा कारण केंद्र सरकार योजना दिता गोंय सरकारान ती घेवपाक जाय आनी बाकीच्या राज्यांय कॉम्पिटिशनाक देंवल्यात आनी तूं म्हणटा तशें तरूण भुरगो तयार जायता तो जर गोंया भायर वचत रावलो मागीर आमची पयली 5वी सपनां आसात ती खंय तरी उडून भायर वतली
आणि इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी अशीच भशेन जावपाक जाय की वी शूड मेक शुअर दॅट वी अवॉइड दीस ब्रेन ड्रेन.
व्हेरी नायस थँक्यू मंगेश बाब आनीक निलेश बोर्डे तुमी ह्या कार्यावळीन आयल्यात खूब वायब्रंट. निलेश बाब म्हाका खरेंच एक बरें दिसलें की तूं सामको पोटतिडकीन उलयलो आनी तुवें जे पळय कितें प्रश्न मांडले किंवा मुद्दे मांडले ते आमच्या सरकारच्या कानार पडूं अशें हांव मानतां.
थँक्यू.
हां पळयत रावात गोमंतक TV. आम्ही गोंयचे प्रश्न मांडटात, फकत राजकीय न्हय, सामाजीक सांस्कृतिक. तुमचे जिणेकडेन जोडपी आमचो टीव्ही, तुमचो टीव्ही. आम्ही तुमचे प्रश्न मांडटात, तुमचे प्रश्न आमच्यो जापो, आमचो संघर्ष तुमचे खातीर. आम्ही लढटात गोंया खातीर, आमचे सुपुल्ले गोंय सांबाळून दवरपा खातीर. तुमचो